beautiful people, it's your girl Kerry, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I focus on fashion, lifestyle, and sometimes travel. If this is something you are interested in, go ahead, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a post. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own clip-in hair. Now, I've been eyeing a few clip-ins on Amazon and other websites for a while, but I was like, those are too expensive, so why don't I make my own? So I'm going to be showing you how I made them. I absolutely loved the end result. I am using 3 bundles of Brazilian curly hair. It's not really the texture I wanted, but since I'm experimenting, I decided that I'm just gonna go ahead with what I have. I'm gonna be using snap clips to hold the clip-ins in my natural hair, and I'm also doubling the weft of the hair just to add some thickness to it. I'm using my sewing machine to help with doubling the weft, and I'm using the zigzag stitch to hold the pieces together. After I'm done sewing the wefts together, I'm gonna go ahead and sew the clips onto the weft because those will help to secure the ear onto my natural hair. And a little back information, I bought this ear from AliExpress and the clips I bought from Amazon, so I will leave links below if you would like to purchase and try. So I'm done with my first track, and I'm gonna go ahead and test it just to make sure that it will fasten to my natural hair properly. And now that it's all good, I went ahead and I completed the other tracks that I wanted to use. Now I'm gonna go ahead and braid down my natural hair so that I can fasten the clips onto it. Now the braids don't have to be neat, or it doesn't have to part neat either, because that will not be showing. So you can just go ahead and put a few braids in your hair that suits you. My braids, I'm going ahead and I'm fastening the clip-ins onto the braids in tracks all the way up to the top. So I'm done putting in the tracks except for one because I wanted it to be as close as possible to my hair that I left out so that it blends in properly. And like I told you, this ear is not the ideal hair because it doesn't really match my texture of hair. So the next set that I make, I'm going to make sure that I get hair that closely matches my natural hair. But like I said, this is a test, so I wanted to do some experiment with hair that I wouldn't really be mad if I mess it up. So I'm going in and I'm combing out the hair because I wanted to have like a afro kind of look or add some oomph to it. I'm not gonna add like water or anything to it because I want it to give me that poofy look that I'm used to. Now I'm going in with some hair polish just to add some sheen to the hair. I bought this at my local beauty supply store, but I will check to see if I can find a link for this one on Amazon or somewhere. I'm now going to use my edge booster to lay my edges just so that they can blend in as best as possible with the hair. And that's it, my very own clipping set of hair. I absolutely love it. It came out way better than I expected, and I hope you like it too. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you love videos like these, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss a post. Until next time, be safe, stay home, enjoy your time with your family, and come back for more videos. Bye!